Ayurvedic medicine of India has been known for millennia. In Sanskrit, Ayurveda means the science of life. It was this ancient science that had a great impact on the formation of many medical schools, not only in the East but also in the West, in particular in Europe. Ayurveda has reached its peak in a culture different from today, in a world where human life was closely intertwined with the life of nature. For many people, Ayurveda has become a full replacement for the traditional methods of treatment practiced in the West, which often remain powerless in the face of many modern diseases. The main feature of Ayurveda is treating not just a separate disease or organ, but healing and even rejuvenating the whole organism. It is important to remember that the ancient Ayurvedic procedures treat not only the body but also the spirit. They restore harmony, integrity, and tranquility. You can learn more about Ayurveda and Ayurvedic treatments in India on our website ayurveda.plus.